Need to manage future deliveries and simplify stock allocation? Then learn how to use scheduled orders in Syspro. This tutorial will include the following: scheduled order status flow, changing the number of days for scheduled orders, and lastly, adding a scheduled sales order. Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at scheduled orders in Syspro. So let's get started. When an order is initially entered, it's created as a scheduled order. No status is assigned to it at this point. To initiate the order process, you need to select the End Order option. This action moves the order to a status of 1 or open order. Once a delivery note is printed for the order, its status changes to 4, in warehouse. To move the order to the invoicing stage, use the Change Status function. This updates the order status to 8. Once the invoice is printed, the order status is updated to 9, marking it as complete. So we're going to start by going on the Syspro ribbon bar. We're going to select Setup, and we're going to go to Setup Options. Okay, we're just going to ignore this error for now. We're going to make the screen bigger. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we got here. Okay, so you're going to first start by going to Configurations, and you're going to go to Distribution, and then you're going to select Sales Orders. And here you're going to look for days to allocate scheduled orders. And here you're going to enter the number of days, and you're going to tap off. When you're done, you're going to then click Save and Exit. One thing to note about making changes in the setup options is that you would have to exit Syspro for you to see the changes in the system. And that is how you would change the number of days on a scheduled order. I hope you find this video informative. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Now let's continue with the tutorial. So we're going to start by going to Sales Orders, and we're going to go to Sales Order Processing, and we're going to select Sales Order Entry Express. Okay, I'm just going to make this bigger. So here on Type, you're going to leave it at Scheduled Order, and on the customer, you're going to then enter the customer code, and you're going to tap off. Okay, I'm just going to bring this down so I can see the details I'm entering here. So on customer purchase order, I'm going to enter the customer's purchase order, and I'm then going to scroll all the way down to the ship date, because we're going to select the ship date, and let's choose the 23rd. Okay, and now I'm going to add order lines. Okay, so I'm going to click right below line type, and I'm going to tap off all the way to the stock code. And I'm going to click the magnifying glass to browse for stock code. And I'm going to then select the stock code and then enter the quantity, and I'm going to tap off. And to add the ship date onto the order line, you can just click on the header right here, right click, and a menu will pop up on your screen, and you select Field Chooser. And now we're going to scroll for the ship date. Okay, scroll. And we're going to then drag the ship date and place it wherever we want. And there it shows when the order will be shipped. So we're going to close this, and we're going to save. I'm going to confirm, just going to drag this back to the top, going to confirm. I'm going to close the program, And that is how you add a scheduled sales order. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which videos you like to see next. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this video.